Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Stumble guys not uploading. To know how to fix or how to solve Stumble guys not uploading, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about this window of Stumble guys and you will enter here in this app. Then this list of app info you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Stumble guys here and you can update your application if you will find it in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.